It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, June 30th. I'm James Spann. Moist air is back, and sure enough, we've got some thunderstorms even at this early hour of the day. Let's talk about it, getting close to a holiday weekend. Big picture this morning, high amplitude, big ridge in the west, a trough in the east. Hottest blazes in the western states underneath the ridge. Temperatures here will be below average more than likely for the next 5 days or so. That was a radar early this morning at 5:11. Pretty big storms at that time approaching Smith Lake and over West Alabama, and we'll see occasional showers and storms today. Not as cool as recent mornings. You know, we had some 50s on the board yesterday, not today. The cool spot, Fort Payne at 66, Birmingham at 76. We'll expect a high in the 80s today. And the SPC guys have a pretty good chunk of the state in the standard slight risk of severe weather today and tonight, and a marginal risk all the way down to the Gulf Coast. And with all summer storms, lightning is always the main issue, but some of the storms today could possibly produce a wet microburst or two, localized areas of very strong straight-line winds, maybe enough to knock down some trees and power lines. That'll be the main feature to watch. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over extreme North Alabama. In day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk over about the northern half of the state. Here's the overall rain for the next 5 days. Valid through Sunday morning. Heavier totals near the Tennessee border, about 2.5 inches there. Amounts much lighter near the Gulf Coast. And speaking of the coast, the tropics are very quiet. No tropical storm or hurricane worries if you're beach-bound for the 4th of July. And the weather down there, very typical. About 7 to 9 hours of sun each day with a few scattered storms, but you'll have that risk every day in the summer from Panama City over to Gulf Shores. All right, model fans. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. Heat ridge in the west, trough in the east. Down below that, a moist axis on top of us, so we'll expect scattered to numerous showers and storms today. Here's the high-res HRRR today at 1 o'clock. And really, it could be a situation where the storms this morning interfere with the instability, and the stronger storms might be this morning. This is the Cape this afternoon at 1 o'clock, and those values are not excessively high for summer. Yes, the yellows, that's over 2,000 joules per kilogram, but again, we could have some rain, cooled air from morning storms. So we'll watch things. You know, summer storms are always chaotic and random and scattered in nature. We'll keep an eye on things. Tomorrow, again, we'll have scattered showers and storms about. The sun will be out at times. Not going to rain all day. The high in the upper 80s. Some spots maybe touching 90. And that's going to be the theme really every day through the weekend. Here's Thursday. And we do note there's a surface low that is around Harrison, Arkansas. And there could be some fairly strong storms on Thursday with a feature like that passing north of us. So, again, a few showers and storms will likely be around. On Friday, that surface low weakens. It is over Kentucky, and again, we'll see scattered showers and storms. And for many, this kicks off a 3-day weekend. And then for Saturday, the 4th of July, we've still got broad troughing around here. And again, it's the same air mass, moist and muggy, and you'll have to dodge showers and storms. If you've got a cookout or some big deal outdoors, no, it will not rain on you all day. The sun should be out at times, but it clearly should rain on you at times. So just be ready for that. And the same thing Sunday. Highs for the weekend should be in the mid to upper 80s. And Monday of next week, heights are coming up. Ridge begins to build, so showers should be a little fewer in number and heat levels creeping up. We could see maybe low 90s on Monday, and this is Tuesday. Again, low 90s, widely scattered showers and storms. Here's the end of the forecast. This is July 9th, out there toward the end of next week. Kind of watching that 594 heat ring. It's mainly west of here, thank goodness. We've seen some runs that kind of print it out on top of us. This one does not. And if that's right, that looks relatively dry. Temperatures off the ensembles for the next 15 days. Highs this week in the 80s, back in the low 90s next week. Anomalies July 7th through July 13th. Maybe a little above average here. Below average temperatures north and west of our state. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television site, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.